Hi viewers, welcome to this video, and today I will be teaching you how to install Optifine in T-Launcher. So just let's start. So first of all, open up your Google browser and then here search optifine.net. I will also be leaving a link in the description of this website. You can also click that link and just open up this interface. So after opening up this interface, you guys can read the features of Optifine from here, and for downloading it, just click on this menu named as downloads. Just click on it, and from here you guys can download the Optifine HDUI 17. Just click on download, and after that just wait 3 seconds as it says. So after that, click up on this link and just click on download, and after that just download it. And after downloading, you guys just have to open up your Minecraft and just add it from your mods folder. And it's easy. And that's how you guys can easily download Optifine for your T launcher.
If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel, and thanks for watching.